Welcome to DT Tech Tips. Today we're going to talk about using a USB barcode scanner to scan barcodes into Capture One. Most barcode scanners work in the same way. They use a laser to read a barcode and then output that data as text on a computer. They basically work as virtual keyboards, and most of them are plug and play. Capturing barcode data can be important for things such as archive imaging, product photography, and catalog work. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to scan barcodes into your file names in Capture One. In Capture One, go to the Next Capture Naming tool. Click the ellipsis next to the Format text box to bring up your naming tokens. Your file naming conventions are up to your own discretion. For now, I'm going to use the current date token set to year, month, day. I'll add underscore, paintings, underscore, and I'll leave the name token, but I'll get rid of the camera counter token. Now, whatever I type in this name text box will populate in the file name of my next capture. Notice that when I type something, it shows up in the sample file name. We're going to use this with a barcode scanner. When you're ready to start imaging, make sure you are selected in the name text box. All it takes is a point and click of the barcode scanner, and now my barcode is scanned into the Next Capture Naming tool. At this point, all I need to do is press Capture. And just like that, my image has barcode data included in its file name. For my next capture, I will double-click in the name text box, which will highlight everything in it. Now I'll scan the next barcode, which will overwrite the highlighted text. Just like that, I'm ready to capture the next object. For an even more streamlined workflow, the new Slipstream mode provides a simplified capture solution. Tap into Slipstream mode, and then tap the title text box. Scan your barcode, and then hit Capture. In Slipstream mode, I don't have to erase the previous text before scanning another barcode. This is a barcode-centric workflow at its finest. If you have any questions about Capture One or Slipstream, or if there's something you'd like Digital Transitions to talk about in the future, drop us a line at info@digitaltransitions.com.